I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up and I won't stop.
Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I am going to fix something. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to fix. It's something to do with chicken. I'm going to cut this chicken up into little chunks, bite-sized pieces, I guess is what you'd say. I have 4. They're not real big. These came from Food Line, not from Walmart, so they aren't quite as big as the ones that you get from Walmart. But I'm going to cut these into chunks, and then I'm going to put them into my Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to add Badia Complete Seasoning. I'm going to use crushed rosemary. I'm going to use smoked paprika. And then and I cannot, to save my life, remember where I saw this, but I ordered this from Nashville Olive Oil Company, and this is rosemary sea salt. I love rosemary, so I'm going to try this. I'm not going to put very much in here because it's very, very salty. So, and then I'm going to put, of course, coarse ground black pepper, but I'm going to cut this chicken up, and I'll show y'all what I'm going to do, and you can just watch me, or if not, you can forward through to I get to where this is cut up or whatever, and put it in my Ninja Foodi. But anyway, all right.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
Hey, y'all. All right, y'all saw me cut it all up. That was 4 pieces of chicken or whatever, and I've got to go wash my hands, and I will bring you, well, I'm going to go on while my hands are dirty, and let me turn y'all around, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, y'all, I'm just going to go on now and put this chicken into down into my Ninja Foodi. And I've got to go wash my hands, get the water for it, and get some butter, and I'll bring y'all right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so I'm putting, the first thing I'm going to do is I've got 2 cups of water here. All right, and the next thing I'm going to put in here is this rosemary sea salt. I don't even know if I should use a half a teaspoon. That might be too much in itself. All right, let me see if I can get this back open again. I need to put this in something else because when I open it, it goes everywhere because it's in this little metal container. All right, come on. Don't spill. There it goes. All right, so this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put that much, really not even a half a teaspoon, but it's very, very salty. All right, there's that. Then I'm going to put, I'm just going to do shakes with this. This is the Badia, whatever. All right, probably about a teaspoon of that. The crushed rosemary. I've got the thing here. This is just crushed rosemary. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon. Well, this is a half teaspoon. I'm just doing a a half a teaspoon plus some. All right, and then the smoked paprika. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of that in here. Oh, this smells so good. All right. Maybe about a 3/4 of a teaspoon. I haven't used this in so long, I can't remember how it does in there. And then I've got a stick of butter. I'm going to put this in here. Great Value sweet cream butter. It took me a long time of being able to use butter. I did not want to use anything but margarine. All right, so let me stir this up. Oh, I got to put pepper in here. I forgot that. I'm sorry. And I'm going to do about 3/4 of a... No, I'm just going to do a heaping teaspoon of pepper. That might be too much, yeah. Not even a... not even a half a... Well, it probably was a half a teaspoon because I did a heaping. So, about a half a teaspoon of pepper. All right. Let me put the lid on here. Make sure that your seal is on here right. She washed the seal. She put it back on. She did a good job. Okay. Now, put the lid on. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to make sure that it's on sealing and the venting is over here. I don't want it over there. I want it over here next to the venting or whatever. Sealing. Oh. Let me get this back some so you can see as much as possible. All right, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to push pressure all the way over here. It comes up high. I'm going to go 18 minutes. All right, and push on, and there it goes. In 18 minutes, I'm just going to let it come down from pressure on its own. We'll see how it does, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all. All right, now this is the chicken is done. I let it come down from pressure for 18 minutes. It only had like not even a minute before I got it when I let the pressure off, that the pin went down and I was able to open it. But I had put a little bit of chicken in this bowl, I want to taste this, see what it tastes like. I still am not sure what I'm going to do with this chicken. I really am not sure what I'm going to do with it. So I do want to taste this for y'all and let you know how it tastes with those particular spices in there. Oh my goodness. You know, so many people say that breasts get dry, and they usually do. But this isn't, for some reason. And I really don't usually like chicken breasts, but I got these because I was going to do something with them, and I can't remember now what it was, as usual. But I put them in the water, and the water covered them, and then I let them come down from pressure or whatever, and it's still, as you can see, still in the water. This is amazing, y'all. Wow. I don't know. Let me think about what I'm going to do with this. I could fix some sheet pan vegetables and eat this chicken with... Golly, this chicken is good, y'all. It is not the least bit dry. I don't know if you can see this every time I put it over here. It isn't dry at all. And it is that salt, that rosemary salt or whatever. Yeah, rosemary sea salt. I put just the right amount in here. The smoked paprika, that is just the right amount. Everything that the rosemary, this has an amazing taste, y'all. I could put this in a salad. It's enough for... It's enough for 2 or 3 recipes, but I still am just not sure what I want to do with it. This is... that was so good. So good. Alright. I'm going to end this here because I'm not sure what the other recipes will be that I'll use this with, but I'll bring y'all back and let you know. But golly, that was good. Good. That stick of butter, you can see how the buttery juiciness in there. Well, it is good. I don't know why I've never done this before. Most people cook their chicken breast whole in this, but for some reason I just decided to cut it up, and golly, that was good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also there'll be links below of different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase at Amazon at no extra charge to you. So it just helps my channel out a little bit for groceries and stuff like that. So I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.